Most families spend over $4,000 on a week-long vacation to Disney World or the typical beach resort. But I found 10 destinations across America where your family of 4 can have an incredible week for under $1,500 total. We're talking hidden cultural gems, stunning natural beauty, and authentic local experiences that cost a fraction of what you'd expect. So let's count down the 10 most unbelievably cheap family destinations in America for 2026. At number 10, we have Hot Springs, Arkansas. This historic spa town offers natural thermal baths that have been drawing visitors for over 150 years. Your family can soak in the famous Bathhouse Row for just $8 per person, and kids under 12 are free at most locations. But here's what most families miss. The free hiking trails in Hot Springs National Park wind through the city itself, offering stunning views without any entrance fees. Local motels run about $60 per night, and you'll find authentic Southern barbecue meals for under $12 per plate. The real insider secret? Visit the Superior Bathhouse Brewery where parents can sample craft beer while kids enjoy root beer floats, all while soaking your feet in natural thermal water. Lake Ouachita offers free swimming and beach access just 30 minutes away, and local bait shops rent fishing gear for $15 per day. Number 9 takes us to Branson, Missouri. While many families think this is just for grandparents, Branson offers incredible value for all ages. You can catch world-class shows for $20 to $30 per ticket, explore the Ozark Mountains for free, and stay in family resorts for under $80 per night. The local buffets serve massive portions for $15 per adult, and kids eat free at most places. But here's where Branson gets really exciting for families. Table Rock Lake offers crystal clear swimming with free public beaches, and you can rent pontoon boats for $150 per day, split among families. That's incredibly affordable. The Branson Landing features free outdoor concerts and a spectacular fountain show every hour. I discovered Silver Dollar City offers season passes that pay for themselves in just 2 visits. Plus, their craftsmen demonstrate traditional Ozark skills like blacksmithing and glassblowing at no extra charge. Coming in at number 8 is Williamsburg, Virginia. Beyond the famous colonial Williamsburg, this area offers free walking tours, historic Jamestown for just $15 per adult, and beautiful state parks with $5 parking fees. Family-friendly hotels start at $70 per night, and you can enjoy authentic colonial-style meals at local taverns for reasonable prices. Here's what makes Williamsburg special for budget families. The living history demonstrations happen throughout the day at no extra cost. Kids can watch blacksmiths forge horseshoes, bakers make bread in colonial ovens, and even participate in 18th century games on the village green. York River State Park offers fossil hunting along the beach for just the $5 parking fee, and Busch Gardens Williamsburg often has local resident discounts that cut admission prices in half. The real secret? Visit in late fall when crowds disappear but attractions stay open, and many hotels offer their lowest rates of the year. Number 7 brings us to the Black Hills of South Dakota. Mount Rushmore itself is free to view. You just pay $10 for parking that's good all day. Crazy Horse Memorial costs $12 per adult with kids free, and the surrounding Custer State Park offers incredible wildlife viewing for a $20 vehicle pass. But here's where the Black Hills become a budget family paradise. The Wildlife Loop Road in Custer State Park practically guarantees buffalo sightings, and kids can collect the Junior Ranger badges at multiple locations. Cabin rentals sleep 6 for around $90 per night, and local diners serve hearty meals for $8 to $12 per person. The town of Deadwood offers free walking tours of the historic Main Street, and many saloons welcome families during daytime hours for root beer and old-fashioned sarsaparilla. Iron Mountain Road features pigtail bridges and tunnels that frame Mount Rushmore. It's like a natural theme park designed by engineers. Your biggest expense? Gas for the scenic drives, but even that's worth every penny when you're creating memories that last a lifetime. At number 6, we have Asheville, North Carolina. This artsy mountain town offers free brewery tours where parents can sample while kids enjoy root beer, plus incredible hiking trails throughout the Blue Ridge Mountains. Downtown walking tours cost just $15 per person, and the local food scene rivals any major city at half the price. You'll find charming bed and breakfasts for $85 per night and farm-to-table restaurants with kids' meals under $8, but Asheville's real magic lies in its authentic mountain culture. The River Arts District offers free studio tours where kids can watch glassblowers and potters at work, and many artists offer hands-on workshops for under $20 per child. The Blue Ridge Parkway provides endless free scenic drives, and Sliding Rock, a natural water slide formed by centuries of rushing water, charges just $2 per person for all-day fun. Local farmers markets feature mountain crafts, fresh apple cider, and handmade toys that cost less than typical tourist souvenirs but carry real cultural value. As we continue uncovering these exceptional destinations, hit subscribe and join our community of explorers getting practical travel guides. Number 5 takes us to New Mexico, specifically the Santa Fe and Albuquerque corridor. Here's where the math gets really exciting for families. A comfortable hotel in Old Town Albuquerque runs $65 per night, while vacation rentals in Santa Fe start at $90 for the whole family. But here's what makes this destination special. The cultural experiences cost almost nothing. You can explore ancient Pueblo ruins for free, watch traditional pottery demonstrations at no charge, and hike through landscapes that look like another planet. Food costs here will shock you. Authentic New Mexican cuisine at local family restaurants runs $8 to $10 per plate, and the portions are massive. Kids love the mild green chile dishes, and you'll find fresh tortillas and local honey at roadside stands for pocket change. Total cost for a family of 4 for 5 days, including gas, food, and accommodations? Under $800. That's less than one night at most Disney resorts. At number 4, we discover coastal Mississippi, and this might surprise you. While everyone flocks to expensive Florida beaches, the Gulf Coast of Mississippi offers pristine white sand beaches, incredible seafood, and southern hospitality at unbeatable prices. Beachfront hotels in Biloxi start at $70 per night, and many include continental breakfast. The real magic happens at the local shrimp docks, where you can buy fresh Gulf shrimp for $4 per pound and cook it right on the beach. Your kids will love the free lighthouse tours, and the Mississippi Aquarium offers family packages for under $60 total. But here's the insider secret I discovered. Visit the local casinos not for gambling, but for their incredibly cheap buffets. Many offer family-style meals for $12 per adult with kids eating free. The beaches stretch for miles with free parking, and you'll find beach equipment rentals for a fraction of what you'd pay in Florida. Number 3 brings us to the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York. And this is where budget family travel gets sophisticated. Stay in lakeside cabins for $80 per night that sleep 6 comfortably. The region offers over 100 waterfalls you can hike to for free, plus swimming in crystal clear lakes that rival any expensive resort pool. Local farm stands sell fresh produce and homemade ice cream for pennies compared to tourist areas. Here's your complete 3-day itinerary with exact costs. Day 1. Explore Watkins Glen State Park for $8 vehicle entry and hike the famous Gorge Trail. Lunch at a local diner costs $30 for the family. Day 2, visit Seneca Lake wineries that offer free tastings while kids enjoy grape juice and play areas. Dinner at farm-to-table restaurants runs $50 for 4. Day 3, take the free scenic drive around Kuka Lake and stop at roadside fruit stands. At number 2, we have something most families completely overlook: the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. While everyone thinks Michigan means Detroit, the UP offers wilderness experiences that would cost thousands in Colorado or Montana. Cabin rentals on pristine lakes run $70 per night, and you'll have access to beaches that look like the Caribbean but with crystal clear freshwater. The value here is extraordinary. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore offers boat tours for $35 per adult with kids half price, showing you cliffs and waterfalls that rival any expensive national park. Local pasty shops serve authentic Finnish and Cornish meat pies for $6 each, enough to feed an adult. You can rent kayaks for $25 per day for the whole family, and the fishing is world-class with just a $10 daily license. Most families spend more on one theme park day than you'll spend on an entire week exploring the UP. And now for number 1, the most unbelievably cheap family destination in America: West Virginia's New River Gorge region. This newly designated national park offers world-class outdoor adventures at prices that seem too good to be true. Comfortable lodges run $60 per night, Local restaurants serve hearty Appalachian meals for $8 per person, and the outdoor activities are either free or incredibly affordable. Here's what makes this the ultimate budget champion. You can raft the New River for $45 per person with kids getting huge discounts, hike trails that offer better views than expensive Western parks for free, and explore historic coal mining towns where lunch costs $5 per person. The Adventure Center offers zip lining and rock climbing packages that cost less than a single day at most amusement parks. And that's it for our incredible list of cheap family destinations. The pattern connecting all these destinations is simple. They offer authentic American experiences without the tourist markup. The secret isn't finding the cheapest possible option. It's finding places where your dollar goes furthest while still creating those magical family moments. Start planning now for 2026, because these hidden gems won't stay hidden forever. Book accommodations early in these smaller destinations, and you'll lock in even better rates. Subscribe for more budget destination discoveries that'll change how your family travels. Share which destination surprised you most in the comments. I read every single one and use your feedback to find even better hidden gems for future videos.